You go to your mailbox and you realize that you got a check in the mail, but you can't make it to one of the local branches to deposit it into your account. What can you do? First, go to your Machias Savings Bank mobile app. Enter your user ID and password, then press login. Next, go to the bottom of the screen and click on Deposit. This will open a screen that will give you two options: deposit a check or view mobile deposit history. Hit Deposit a check. Now, select Deposit Into. This will allow you to select which one of your accounts you want to deposit the check into. Then, enter the exact amount stated on the check in the check amount box. Now it's time to endorse your check if you haven't done so already. To ensure that your check is deposited correctly, please include For Mobile Deposit directly below your endorsement. Then, select Take Photos. This will use the camera on your phone. You'll see the outline of a check. Use this as your guide. Always keep the check inside that border, and when you're ready, press the white circle. Repeat this process for the back of the check as well. Make sure that both images are clear and contain all four corners of your endorsed check. If you're ready, click Use. If you need to make any changes, just click Edit. But if not, you're ready to submit your check. Click Make Deposit. And you're all set. Deposits are reviewed and processed periodically throughout each business day, but if you have any other questions, just let us know.